This is the AGI air regulator for PX100. We will show you the assembly process required for it. Okay. Firstly, ensure that there is no air in the air cylinder. If there is air, ensure air cylinder is empty by firing it till the complete air is drained out. Okay. Take a 3 mm Allen key and loosen this barrel clamp. There are three grub screws holding it. Remove the gauge. Remove the barrel clamp. Use a 28 mm spanner to remove the cylinder from here. Pause. Unscrew the cylinder in this manner. Pause. Once this is completely unscrewed, keep this wall spring safely and the wall pin should be inside here. Okay, do not tamper with these two. Use a 28 mm spanner and unscrew this plug from the cylinder. Unscrew this plug completely from the cylinder. Keep the cylinder aside. Take the spring and screw this plug back onto the gun receiver. All the threads should fit easily. There should be no force or no spanner required to tighten the threads. Final tightening should be done by a spanner with minimal force. That's it. Okay, half done. Now we take the regulator. Regulator comes with a protective cap and a plenum. Okay, this is a plenum, this is the protective cap. Unscrew the protective cap. Remove the protective cap. Ensure that the O-ring is here. Do not tamper with this adjusting screw. Okay. This adjusting screw should go into the cylinder side. Threads will start easily and should go all the way easily. If threads are not going easily, that means product is not screwed properly. Try it once again. Hand tightening is required. Okay. This part of the plenum, you have to fit it to your plug on the gun. Tightening should be done by hand pressure only. Okay. Here the regulator is fitted to the gun. Now we have to assemble the barrel clamp back and the gauge back to its original positions. The gun is now ready to shoot with a regulator installed. The regulated pressure by factory setting is at 60 bars. If you require additional setting, please inform us.